The biggest thing that I love about the co-op program here at TA is it's a great opportunity for students to test drive a career that they may be interested in or that they've always thought that they wanted to go into, but to actually go out and see what it's like in real life before they ever go away to school or before they ever commit to doing that for the remainder of their life. The co-op program at St. Thomas Aquinas High School is an option for students who are in grade 11 and 12, for students of any pathway, so whether they're apprenticeship bound, workplace bound, college or university. There's opportunities for all students. I meet personally with each student who wishes to go through the program. We have a conversation about their interests, if they have a plan on where they would like to co-op. Some students already know coming in, they know exactly what field and the business that they want to go to. And some students come and they have no idea. They just want to try something out, but they're not sure what it is. So we have a conversation about interests, what they're looking to get from it, what sector we could narrow a co-op opportunity down to, and then we potentially talk about businesses. Part of the program is all about job readiness. So teaching students how to apply to a job. We work on resumes and cover letters. We work on the essential skills that they need to be successful in any job. It doesn't matter what the sector is. The student will always spend the first 2 weeks of each semester here at the school, completing their pre-placement assignments and learning, where we go through like job readiness skills, health and safety, employment standards, confidentiality, and then they start going to their placement every day as if they would be going to a class. Once a month, we do come back to do in-school sessions here at the school, and then at the end of the semester, we come back for the students to do their culminating. But 90% of their time in that semester is spent out of their placement. It's a phenomenal thing to see students in the workplace and doing something that they've always thought that they wanted to do or something that they have an interest in, and then finding the gauge from the student of, is this still something that you're interested in doing, or have you, now that you see what it's like on a day-to-day basis, has it changed your mind at all? Visiting students at their placement is definitely something that I thoroughly enjoy about this job. You see students in a very different light when they're out in their placement than you do here in a school or in a classroom. And you get that hands-on learning is a unique opportunity and not something that happens by sitting in a traditional classroom all the time. We have definitely had students go into a placement figuring that this was the career that they wanted to do, and then enjoy the placement so much that it has secured their pathway into that kind of program. We've also had a ton of success with students in the trades who have gone into a trade. They're not really sure whether that was something that they wanted to do. They've tried a placement out somewhere, and then they've ended up signing apprenticeships down the road solely because of co-op placements. We've had a ton of success in our placements where students have then turned it into summer jobs or have gone back and worked for that employer when they've completed high school. But we've also had a lot of success in students realizing that that wasn't a career path for them. And that co-op experience and opportunity allowed them to change their direction. A successful co-op is something that whether a student secures that, yes, this is what they want to do, or whether a student checks it off the list and realizes that isn't what they want anymore, we consider both of those very successful co-op opportunities.